Christmas is happy for fortunate people. Department stores love to bring holiday cheer. They love it so much they can't wait to display it. Starts before Halloween now every year. Christmas is happy for fortunate people, lucky ones laden with presents galore. Always sparkle and tinsel and fat juicy turkeys. It's hard to imagine that Jesus was poor. And oh, it's Christmas, such beauty to behold, and oh, despair for folks who have nothing or no one to care. Christmas is happy for fortunate people, wherever you wander, wherever you roam. And if you're among those who are holiday happy, you might have some money, a family, a home.
Christmas is happy for fortunate people. Oh, it's Christmas. Christmas is happy for fortunate people. 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 Christmas is happy for fortunate people.
Mancini, ladies and gentlemen, Ted Mancini. And don't forget, all the proceeds, ladies and gentlemen, from that record that are sold tonight go to the Somerville Homeless Coalition.